If you're following me on IGTV or Instagram, you may have seen my recent video about my year planner for 2019. This was a gift with purchase from the Face shop, and it is actually a beauty themed or skincare themed year planner. And it's got space for your routine to plan out things, wish list space, new skincare to try, your water intake, your calories burnt, your skin goals for the month, time spent on skincare, favorite discovery of the month, and so on. And the spreads are all skincare themed. Very nice. So the good news is that I've got one more free again from the Face shop, not PR or anything. It is a gift with purchase. And what will I do with two? Both are dated, so it's got to be used up in 2019. So I'm going to give it away to one of you, whoever wins. So this is not one of those regular 1 month or 45-day giveaways as I usually have, because by the time we finish we'll be in March, and you really don't want to start using your year planner in April. So this one will run for 10 days, 2 weeks. What do I do? Oh well, I'll take a call. You know what? I think I'll toss for that once this video is done, and it'll be either 10 days or 2 weeks. Either way, I want the giveaway over and done with in January, so that I can post it off to you, whoever wins it, and they can start using the planner ASAP, because it's really, really cute. Very, very cool. Absolutely. I haven't had such a fun planner in a long time. So whether you're a planner junkie or a beauty junkie or a skincare junkie or a makeup junkie, or whether you just want to stay organized, it doesn't matter, you'll love this. So not much by way of decor. It does come with its own stickers, some of which I've already used up. Apart from that, there's not much by way of decor. So the good thing is that there is a few who are fans of planner decor can find lots of room for that. There's a few who don't like it. That's all right. It's still cool and has enough color to be able to avoid stickers, so that's all right. So rules: I will ship worldwide wherever there's postal service access. It will need a signature on delivery, so please don't give me the wrong address. Somebody did that once and I had to pay a huge fine when it got returned to me, and obviously I wasn't sending it a second time because the person didn't even pay me the postage second time. So 2 postages under penalty. No, that's not really nice. So please do give me the right address if you happen to be. No, don't publish your address right in the comments box. That's very, very unsafe. Please don't publish your email address either, unless you love a lot of spam from weirdos on the internet. There are such people. So this giveaway is open to my YouTube subscribers and Instagram followers. I mean, I know I'm not as active on Instagram as I should be, but I'm more active on YouTube, so that's all right. I can't think of any other rules. Do use the Gleam widget to enter, because that'll be the best way out. Picks a winner by random. I do not choose winners. Please don't ask me to pick you, because I can't do that. That's not fair on anybody else. It's done by random. So those are the rules. That's how to enter. A very short post. Sorry about that. I mean, well, not really sorry. There will be another makeup giveaway. So we're not moving on to a planner channel or anything. There will be a makeup giveaway very, very shortly. And that is for my 5th blogiversary. 6th. Gosh, I've been blogging for so long. I mean, I don't blog anymore. I'm not active on my blog. I'm only active on YouTube. And I've only been YouTubing for about a year. So it's not that bad. So there will be another nice giveaway with makeup alone, so do stay tuned for that. So good luck if you decide to enter. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up, and please hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.